I'm Dennis Cheatham, Graduate Director of XD MFA, the MFA in Experience Design at Miami University. When we say experiences, we're not just talking about digital experiences, for example, apps or websites. Rather, in our program, we're really considering how can we design for the whole experience a person has when they use any product, service, or system. It's a very broad approach, but it centers around human-centered design at a very experiential level. When we say experience, we don't just mean things are easy to use, but things are culturally relevant, that they're meaningful, that they match people's makeup and their background in a way that goes beyond just easy use. We do this in a few ways. First, we focus on design research. In our program, students learn how to use methods like focus groups, interviews, surveys, observations, and other social science methods to learn where are pain points and challenges that face people. What are people's makeup and their needs? What are their abilities and challenges and frustrations? So when we design, it's based on evidence. It's based on people's stories and the way they use the world. We also have courses that focus on design research theory. So using behavioral theory, theory from systems, from business, we can better understand the world, we can better understand people, and the decisions we make as designers are based on grounded research from disciplines that have been examining people and how they use the world for so many years. Theory gives us new ways of exploring problems, of seeing complexity, and knowing what to design. We also have courses that are focused on studio-based approaches. In the studio course, we bring together theory, we bring together research, and synthesize it with making. Experienced designers in our program are makers. They create prototypes that we test. These are actionable outcomes and design skills that are portable. Experienced designers have skills so they can lead teams, and they can also create outcomes that will make a difference. Lastly, we have project-based courses. We believe in students applying their own interests into their degree. So the projects course allows students to take their interests and their background and maybe the places they're already working and explore projects that are interesting and important to them. At the culmination of the program, every student produces a self-guided thesis project that proves how they synthesize theory, research, making through studio, and do it in a way that produces real results and solves a real problem. We are a distance learning program, so students in our program are all over the country, but we do get together once every semester at a different location because learning on site through experience we found is one of the best ways for cohorts to get to know one another, to get to know faculty, and to learn deeply. We believe experiences matter, and experiences are complicated. They have a lot of moving parts. So by exploring experiences at a broader sense, we can be innovators, makers, and we can be the future of design. Experience design is the future of design, and I hope you'll join us in XD as we make the future and as we explore those problems at that experiential level.